Hi and welcome. Not only do I have one meal for you here, I've got two, and it is enough to warm you this fall. Get some flour and season with salt. Deep skillet, olive oil, butter over medium heat. For cast iron, but any skillet will do. And our first recipe is going to start with chicken. Cut up into bite-sized pieces, them in the flour, and place them in the skillet. Don't touch them for about 4 or 5 minutes. If you do, they are going to stick to the pan. Turn them over, do another 4 or 5 minutes. Remove them and place them on a plate. Now see the good stuff that is left here? We're going to put in some chicken broth and we're going to deglaze the stuff off that pan. Probably a little high here. Now place in your vegetables. If you're missing any of this, don't worry. This is all going to be printed out on my blog. Cook these vegetables, depending on their size, for about 5-6 minutes. Next thing you want to do is choose some type of a sauce or a cheese to put into this dish. I wanted a little bit of a kick here. Look what I found. It's pickled cheese. Shh, we're not telling the fam. Okay, so great weekday dinner. You can get some of these pre-cooked veggies anywhere. I did get these at Trader Joe's. Sometimes you can add some other, like fresh tomatoes. And you see this is the second dish. It's got stew meat. It's got this garlic herb bourgeon, is that how you pronounce it? Cheese. Do that for a little bit of kick. Cook all that together. Put in the fall veggies. And this combination is a little bit different than the first recipe that we did with the chicken. And I'm going to leave this on a recipe sheet on my blog on my website. A link will be below. Please subscribe and follow for more recipes. Oh, and the pickled cheese, it actually was really good. Fam doesn't know yet, but they will when they see this video.